Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog, and this is Goat Love, kidding around. And we now have Atticus. He's now hiding in the igloo.
Come here, Poe.
And Poe.
Poe, water.
He's interested in other things.
Poe, water.
Trying to get them water, making sure they got water right now. It's freaking 90 degrees out.
Poe.
It looks like Atticus has made home inside the igloo. Atticus, what are you doing in there?
Yep, you can reach it.
Atticus, what are you doing in there? That's perfect for them. Perfect. I don't know whether it'll outgrow. We need to get one more for.
Yeah, we need one more. We need one for Poe.
For Poe, or get one big one so they can both get inside there come winter.
He likes that.
So, huh?
He likes that. Atticus does.
Atticus, yeah, it's protective. He doesn't know.
Poe jumps on top of it.
Okay.
What, baby? Well, you clumsy. Little heat stroke. Come on, dude. Up, 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 up. You want a treat? You want a cookie? I come out to give you fresh water and cookies. Nope. Nope. Nope.
They won't go out too.
Dude. Nope.
Atticus is sticking his head out like, what's going on? What's new? Atticus, what are you doing? We're gonna give him a treat.
Well, I know. Heaven forbid you go a day without an animal cracker.
What are you doing, Atticus? What are you doing? 'Cause I'm happy inside my igloo.
Come on.
Whoop! Oh.
Come on. Let's see if you can walk in here. You don't walk to me. You don't walk to me. Come on.
There you go.
Good man. Hurry up and eat that before he steals it out of your mouth like yesterday. Take it and go. Don't you dare steal that from him. I said no.
Atticus is the baby and
Come on, Poe.
Poe's the older one.
Yummy, huh? He's a good boy. He's just a thief. He's an animal cracker thief.
We're keeping him out of the sun right now. So should probably take him out later tonight. He cheating. Yeah, Atticus, what are you doing in there?
What do you think, baby? You want this one? You want this one? You want this one? No? Don't you bite at me. This is like your necklace. What?
They definitely are attention getters.
What? I gotta get your brother out and feel him up.
You hiding in there?
Come here. Would you stop? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Sit. Yeah, I know, right?
Sit. That'll be a good one. I'll take that. I'll take the bottom out of that.
Hey, don't you bite on me.
Who's biting on you?
This one.
Oh.
Go lay down. Stop it. No. Let me see ya. Hi.
You got him right?
I know. I know. Now let me see the other side of you. Damn, dude. You're kind of chunky. See if you can get Poe's attention so I can check out Atticus.
You put him down. Put him down.
Stop. Stop. Yeah, you're all right. You're just being You being a shit pot. You're okay, Atticus.
Go back in your igloo.
You have to feel them on their sides.
Yeah, every day?
I do.
Oh, every day? Hmm.
Make sure that they're not got a football in there or a basketball. See how this goes like this?
Yeah.
And goes like this on this side?
Yeah.
That's their tummy.
Yeah. Well, why would you think
And
they'd have a problem every day?
As long as it's not hard like a basketball, it's okay.
Well, yeah.
Well, it takes a couple hours and it kills them.
Why would they have any issue?
Because they would have overate. That'll give them bloat. Because they would have had something that they shouldn't have had.
Mm-hmm.
That'll give them bloat.
Mm-hmm.
Just because.
Well, I'm glad we ain't got a herd of 25 or 30. What would you be doing?
Filling them up every day.
Yeah, okay. Don't think so.
Just because that's what it can be, and it's one of the reasons that they have this right here.
Right, baking soda.
Because it's a bicarbonate.
Right.
And it lets them make sure that they don't get bloated.
Yeah.
Man, this right here. It's all the vegetables and minerals. Hi, baby. Why don't you get a drink? Want to eat a little of this? I took a boy. He's out. Yes, he is. He's out because I dragged him out by the collar. I know.
You still don't think those should be one thing lower? Right at their chest?
This one will poop in it. He already did.
You already did.
He already did. That's where they. That's
really?
So they're there, so he don't poop in it.
Well, the problem is, if it's too high, it's not gonna have any interest in getting it.
Yes, he will. If he wants it,
yeah.
He gets his feet right up here and stands up.
Well, I know if they want it, but it's a lot of work, and they're gonna be lazy and not. They gotta work for it. They're not.
Not him. He'll do it. He'll do it. He ain't scared of it. He's just not a people person yet.
What was that about?
It's the hay, huh? Bothering you? He was out. He was under the hay laying down.
Yeah.
Till I came in.
Get out of the way.
Back in there.
I'm going back in there. Get out of my way. Look at it. I'm in my igloo. Get out of my way.
Come here and see me again before I go. I'm melting in here.
Yeah, we are.
Come in. Up. Poe? Hey, Poe. Come here, Poe. Come here, Poe. Do you know your name? Hi, babe. Come in. Come in. Up.
I would chew on your shirt.
No cookies. We got no cookie. I ain't coming up. Come here.
Uh,
It's a good boy. You're such a good man. Yes, you are. Come here.
because I'm good.
It's nicer out. We're gonna use that ball I bought ya.
Yeah, I'll have to put out a teleball and see if that.
If I had somebody
They
here
like that.
tonight, I'd give
Okay.
you a bath. You like that, don't you? He likes his nose rubbed.
Okay.
And he likes his cheeks rubbed. Yes, he does.
They might have. You know, I was thinking for the boats.
Yeah, look at how bad
I
I'm
know,
sweating.
I'm soaked too. The boats, the boats, they have those little
What are those?
things that they hang off of them.
Not for you.
And some of them look like balls. You might be able to put that on a
Buoys?
stick.
Buoys?
Yeah, they're like a buoy, but they are round.
Hey! Would you quit biting on me? Would you quit that?
Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share.
We
And
gotta
you'll
share
catch
that
us
with him.
again on
Oh, I don't feel cooler.
Goat Love,
Doesn't feel cooler.
Kidding Around.